Friends, over time wheel balls wear out a lot and can break. They differently need to be changed. I brought new balls and I will change all of them. Old balls in their seats can make knocks that are very difficult to determine. Then they can break and the car will be left without a wheel. Therefore, the bolt must be changed. Check it. If there's not bolt, it will twist. And if the bolts are worn out, replace all of them. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, part like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.